Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube video which will show you how to remove a hard drive from a HP NV17 model number 3000EA laptop. Before we begin, I'd like to introduce you to some tools that I use. One is the draper screwdriver, which has a perfect tip for unscrewing small screws from a notebook. It comes from this draper set, which you can purchase, and it's very useful for removing small screws from laptops and general PC hardware covers. So yeah, let us begin. This is the back of the laptop, as you can see. This is a small button, and you can see the battery symbol here, and that's an indication of where you need to. If you pull it slightly to the left, the cover will come off straight away. This is the cover. This is the battery. This is the hard drive, which is covered by a piece of plastic. If you remove the plastic forward, that will expose the hard drive, which is this here. The hard drive is held down by some screws. You see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here, and we will use the draper screwdriver to remove these screws. It's one screw. Using my magnetic screwdriver to remove some of the screws. That's 2. That's number 3. And that's number 4. So all the 4 screws have been removed. The next part would be to remove the hard drive from the slot here, and to do that you just need to lift it out gently with your hands, and you can see that it comes out nicely. You'll notice an attachment here just over there, and all you need to do is to pull gently, slightly gently, and you'll see that it will come off. And that's how you remove a hard drive from a HP NV17 laptop. And the model number for this is 3000EA. I hope you found this video useful. Please post some comments. Please subscribe to my channel, my video, and let me know if this was helpful. Have a good day. Bye.